OpenAI is quietly building something far beyond just an AI chatbot. Over the past few weeks, a flurry of strategic moves, from multi-billion-dollar acquisitions and a radical executive reshuffle, to the expansion of a staggering $500 billion valuation, and even small, seemingly innocuous feature rollouts, all point to one undeniable truth. ChatGPT was just the beginning. OpenAI isn't just improving its flagship product. It's meticulously assembling an empire designed to dominate the entire AI landscape, from the foundational models to the end-user applications that shape our daily lives and power global businesses. Let's start with the most telling indicators. The recent acquisitions. OpenAI didn't just buy one company, they acquired two, each crucial to their larger vision. The first is Alex, an acclaimed AI assistant specifically designed for Apple's Xcode developers. For years, iOS developers have praised Alex for making coding less painful, especially given Apple's own shortcomings in developer experience. OpenAI is now integrating Alex into its Codex division, aiming to create a powerful new tool they're calling Cursor for Xcode. Codex, for those unfamiliar, is the robust backbone of OpenAI's coding products, already integrated with tools like Visual Studio Code and receiving rave reviews. By folding Alex into Codex, OpenAI significantly strengthens its presence in Apple's crucial developer ecosystem, clearly showing they intend to own the developer tools space. But the real seismic shift comes with the second acquisition, StatSig. OpenAI is spending an estimated $1.1 billion in an all-stock deal to acquire this product, analytics, and A/B testing company. If you're involved in product experimentation or growth, you know StatSig. Their tools are essential for feature flagging, real-time decision-making, and data-driven product experiments. Crucially, this wasn't just about acquiring a product, it was about acquiring talent. StatSig's founder and CEO, Vijay Raji, is stepping in as OpenAI's new CTO of applications, reporting directly to former Instacart CEO, Vijay, who recently joined as OpenAI's CEO of applications. This isn't some random internal reorganization. It's the deliberate creation of a brand new applications division. On one side, you have consumer-focused apps like ChatGPT and Codex. Raji will lead this consumer side. On the other, a dedicated B2B applications arm targeting startups, enterprises, and even government deals. Srinivas Narayan, who previously headed engineering and oversaw the development of ChatGPT and developer APIs, is now CTO of B2B applications, reporting directly to COO Brad Lightcap. And the reshuffle doesn't stop there. Kevin Weil, formerly Chief Product Officer, is moving into research as VP of AI for Science, heading up a new team focused on medical and bioscience applications, a move that echoes DeepMind's AlphaFold project. This strategic timing, pulling in Alex codes and StatSig simultaneously, signals that OpenAI now sees its applications layer, both consumer and enterprise, as equally critical as its foundational research. ChatGPT, in this grand scheme, is merely the entry point. And the capital fueling this ambition is truly staggering. CNBC recently reported that OpenAI is expanding its secondary share sale from $6 billion to an astounding $10.3 billion. This allows current and former employees to cash out their stock to major investors like SoftBank, Thrive Capital, and Abu Dhabi's MGX. The valuation for this deal? A mind-boggling $500 billion. Earlier this year, OpenAI was valued at $300 billion, meaning its valuation has skyrocketed by over 2/3 in just a few months. To put that into perspective, this is one of the largest private valuations in tech history. No company built just a chatbot could command $500 billion. The market clearly believes OpenAI is on the cusp of rolling out something truly monumental. Yet, with great power comes great scrutiny. OpenAI's rapid ascent hasn't been without its severe controversies. There's been significant backlash regarding ChatGPT's role in sensitive and tragic situations. A California family is currently suing OpenAI for wrongful death, alleging that ChatGPT validated harmful thoughts in their 16-year-old son, Adam Rain, who subsequently died by suicide. The lawsuit includes chat logs, showing the teen sharing distress with the bot. The family's lawyer has accused OpenAI of negligence and called for the product to be taken down. In response, OpenAI is swiftly implementing parental controls and enhanced safety features, planning to link teen accounts to parent accounts, allow parents to disable memory and chat history, and even send notifications if the system detects acute distress. They've stated expert input from mental health and youth development specialists will guide these changes. This wasn't an isolated incident. The Wall Street Journal also reported on a man named Stein Erik Solberg, who used ChatGPT, allowing it to feed his paranoia, which tragically escalated to him killing his mother and then himself. OpenAI claims it will start redirecting some sensitive conversations to what they call reasoning models, like GPT-5, which they assert are more resilient against hostile or dangerous prompts. The idea is to automatically switch to a safer, more thoughtful model when a user is in distress, regardless of their initial choice. This push for safety is becoming ubiquitous across the tech industry, with companies like Meta blocking chatbots from discussing sensitive topics with teens, and the UK's Online Safety Act, compelling platforms like Reddit and X to implement age verification. For OpenAI, these changes are no longer optional. They're under an intense global microscope. Amidst these grand strategic shifts and critical safety challenges, OpenAI continues to make smaller, yet equally telling moves. Just this past week, they announced that projects, feature previously exclusive to paid ChatGPT users, is now available to everyone for free. Projects function like smart folders for your chats, allowing you to set custom AI instructions, limit file access, and upload reference material. Free users can now add up to 5 files per project, while subscribers and pro subscribers get significantly more. On the surface, it looks like a simple perk for free users, but it's a brilliant growth strategy. OpenAI has a history of this. Deep Research and ChatGPT Voice both started as paid features, then trickled down to free users with tighter limits. Even their latest models are often launched for everyone, but free users face stricter usage caps. It's a classic freemium model designed to give users a taste of premium functionality, subtly nudging them towards a paid subscription. The timing is crucial. More free features while building a stronger applications organization and raising money at a $500 billion valuation. It's a masterclass in balancing user growth, product depth, and investor hype. Zooming out, what we're witnessing is OpenAI constructing a two-pronged empire. On one side, the consumer applications, ChatGPT, Codex, the Alex integration, and the projects feature. All the tools everyday users interact with. On the other, the formidable enterprise and science divisions, StatSig's experimentation tools, the B2B applications under Srinivas Narayan, and Kevin Wile's AI for Science team. Overseeing this entire applications behemoth is Vijay Simo, running it like a CEO within the company. This strategic positioning suggests that OpenAI is moving towards a path where it could eventually directly challenge Microsoft, its largest partner and investor. Microsoft's traditional stronghold has always been enterprise applications. If OpenAI is now building a dedicated B2B applications division, staffed with a multi-billion-dollar acquisition and led by top-tier talent, it's fair to ask how long this partnership will remain purely cooperative. While Satya Nadella and Sam Altman may present a united front today, intense competition in the enterprise AI space feels increasingly inevitable. OpenAI isn't just making ChatGPT bigger. It's meticulously laying the groundwork for an era where it could be the foundational layer and the primary application layer of artificial intelligence, challenging established tech giants at every turn. What do you make of OpenAI's audacious direction? Are they growing too quickly for their own good, or is this simply the natural, albeit dramatic, next step for the future of AI? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this insight useful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.